Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Friday, March the 1st, 2019 and the time is 4 a.m. GMT. So here is the chart of the Alibaba, and this is a 45 minutes chart, a short-term chart here, and we are looking at a 5 waves impulse that comes from 165.15, right? 165.15 dollars. The rally looks like a clear-cut 5 waves. You can see the subdivision nicely subdivides into 1, 2, extended 3 with another 5 wave subdivision here within the wave 3, and you got a wave 4, and then now we are in a diagonal wave 5, ending diagonal, right? Now so once we finish that with 5, all right, then we should be looking to pull back at least to correct this cycle, at least, right? With one more boost on the upside, we should be ending the wave 3, and then we are looking for a wave 4 pullback with another leg to the upside afterwards. So I think overall the general sort of direction still is favoring more upside. As you can see, the right side is green in color, right? So that means we do not like selling it, right? We do not like selling it since the right side is still green at the moment. Now let's take a look at slightly larger degree time frame and see where we are with Alibaba. This is the 4-hour chart. Now it's not really a complete count, but this should give you an idea. Now the idea of this chart of the day is not really to give all the full set of count in all time frames. For that you can check in our member area, but the whole idea is to identify sort of the short-term movement, right? So we can see I labeled this 1, 2, 3, 4 here, which is the same as this 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 45 minutes chart. If we look at it starting from the January 23rd low, if our starting point is this one, now you can see right here we got a rally from here, right? And then we have a correction, and then after this cycle is being corrected by this cycle, it made a new high and extends higher again. So if you look at this move here from this low to this high, that also looks like a 5 waves, right? So you can, let's say, put a 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 here, right? And then maybe you can, if you want, you can call it a zigzag of some sort. So let's say this is with A, right, and this is with B. So now we are about to reach the area in which the C leg is going to be equal to the A leg, right? So right here, okay, right here, that means we should soon see some sort of a pullback, right? I mean, it can still see another leg higher, no doubt about it. In the shorter cycle, we can see more upside at least until we reach this blue box area, which is based on the C equal to A, right? So once we reach the area, then we might be able to finish this cycle, at least a 3-wave cycle or a 3-swing cycle, and then giving us some sort of pullback. Okay, so the bottom line here is in the shorter cycle we should still see further upside in Alibaba, no doubt about it, and at least should reach 186.5 at minimum before we are looking for some sort of pullback, right? So here now sort of the alternate that can happen, all right, the alternate is that we have, let's say we have ended with 3 here and this is with 4, and we are now instead in the with 5 already to the upside, right? It is possible, right? So like I said, as long, I mean, this could be a wave 3, let's say, and this could be a wave 4, and we can be already in the final leg in the wave 5 to finish the C, right? So if that's the case, then we gotta be we should not be overly too aggressive, let's put it that way, once Alibaba reaches 186.5 at least, because once the stock hits that level, the minimum target from the move to the upside has been reached, and we can see the pullback any moment, right? But until then, we can continue to go higher, and this is what we are calling right now for the primary view. But as an alternate, the wave 3 could have ended earlier, right? And then we could be in the wave 5 already here, with just, so instead of two more high like what we are showing, one high ending with 3 and another high ending with 5, we could be already in the wave 5. Right now, if you look at the RSI, this is the highest RSI right now. So again, in some sort of alternate, then we could be ending 3 here, 4 here, and then now it is in the wave 5 already. If that's the case, we just need one more high, right? We just need one more high instead of two high, right? And instead of two more high, then we just need one more high. Alright, so if you enjoy this video, you can check our service, 14 days for free. The link to the free trial is provided in the description of the video. Otherwise, I wish you all have a good weekend, and see you all again next week.